Okay, I want to tell you about a cord protector. So you can buy these for $5 or $6, Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart. They're made of heavy duty plastic. They have a rubber seal at either end that seals around your power cords, so it helps prevent them from getting pulled apart.
Woo!
Here's how you use them. Simply plug in your male and female plugs and close the cover. This one has 3 plastic latches that snap closed. And that's it. You're good to go. Keeps water out of your plugs. And again, it keeps the cords plugged into each other so they don't pull apart. Handy little device.